Welcome to the Altbase channel. I want to discuss altcoins with you before anyone else. I have an exciting DEX crypto project, which I think could do well in 2026. If that sounds interesting to you, please leave a like on the video. The project is called Alien Base. So none of this is financial advice. This has been out for a while, but with the downturn of the market, I think this could potentially be at a good buy in the very near future. I still think that the market cap or the price can go down somewhat, but this is a project which I'm looking at to buy in the future. So with my selected videos, I don't always buy at the time of recording, or sometimes I change my mind, and I think this is what you should do. Uh, you know, again, not financial advice, just a bit of common sense, just to see what the market is doing, and just see if there's hype and there's news on any kind of crypto projects. And the good thing here is on X, there are regular updates. So they have a mini app. Which is directly inside the base app, so you don't need to use a browser wallet extensions, just on-chain access, which is a really convenient way to use Alien Base. And as I said, like there are regular updates to see what the project is doing. So it's the 21st of December. I'm recording this, and so we've got an update here on the 19th of December where they hit a major milestone. Vaults are now ready for beta and have started testing, represent significant effort as they revamped farms user interface, including apps for superior user experience. Uh, User experience for liquidity flows. There's a whole thread there. So again, just to do research. So I'll just go on to the chart now. So this is on a weekly time frame if it does load up. So this has currently on a $3.39 million market cap. Let me just bring it on CoinGecko. I think my laptop's playing up a bit. Yeah, so it's a free. It's roughly a $3.4 million market cap, and so kind of the best time to buy it was in November 2023. So it's been out for a while and has had a huge jump in November 2024. And it's not one of these projects where every year is going to pump. Again, like the crypto market is quite bad, but there's still trading volume here, very low. But there are people holding on to this project. So the current price of is just basically one and a half, well, yeah, 1.5 US cents at the time of recording. So if it does a 10x, it just needs to go to like a $34 million market cap, or basically 10 cents. And the highest it's been is just over 50 cents, like 55 roughly, 55 cents. So should it go up to the all-time high, then yeah, it's just little shy of a 50x of your money. And I like this is one to watch, and this is on the naturally it's on the base project, so you would need to have Ethereum and just send it across to base, and you can interact uh, like with a decentralized wallet. Let me just see if there's any other. No, because it's totally like decentralized. So yeah, it says on here Uniswap. Um, is another way to buy the token. And if you visit the website, let me bring up the website now. Um, they kind of have different kind of ways, like if you hold the alien base token, you should be there should be ways to stake it as well. So I'll keep this video short, but it just says. Alien Base is dedicated to enhancing the trading experience on DeFi by offering a centralized exchange-like interface combined with the privacy benefits of decentralized finance. And also, it finds like with features like the token generator, straightforward pool deployment. Alien Base simplifies the trading process for users and enables developers to launch their own tokens in mere seconds. Yeah, and it says here, through its innovative Alien Base seamlessly aggregates all pools on the base network, selecting the safest and most efficient pathways for quicker and cost-effective swaps. The base network does have low fees, but anything that's going to make it cost-effective and quicker is going to be convenient, and there will be more adoption. This is the kind of the tokenomics of it. I suggest that you do further research on here, just to get a breakdown of what the project is about. And oh, sorry, I think I think this could do well. It's one to watch. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. And just before I go, I do have a Patreon. I've got like a sale on which will go out. So this might actually disappear by the time this goes on YouTube. But I might do a January sale in the near future, so watch out for that, because you can support the channel from there's normally like £2. They'll come up in your own currency here, but the higher the tier, the better the benefits. Yeah, so I'll be looking to do like a similar one here, so you can kind of see the discount might not be the same, but yeah, just do watch out for that. And I do want to give out a shout out to my Patreons for supporting me. A shout out to Eli, JMA, Akrafa, Jungle John, and JD. I'll see you in the next video.